Ladies and gentlemen, to all the members of Tree Accounting family, how are you this evening? Tonight is not just about one-stop solution for business, but tonight is the one-stop for fun.
For joining us tonight for Tree Accounting's D&D, and I hope that you are having an enjoyable time. You will have to strive toward more excellence, so that's how we are able to bring up the business even more.
We truly value your contribution, and we hope you all will continue to learn, grow and support one another. With this positive mindset, I believe we can achieve a lot more and aim even higher.
Kau di sana, aku di sana, cerita kita sulit dicerna.
Yenilu.
You'll be